Okay. So starting from 2012, coming after SHS, you get started, we enter into working. One of the things I've always desired for is to like always fight for my own. So just from SHS, I started working. 1 month just after SHS, like started working in a factory, gradually working. We've done so many, how do you call it, network marketing. We've worked in those realms before, it didn't work out. We worked with people in their shops. And finally, the place that I learned so much was with Beige. Beige was where I learned so much because I was a shy type. So through Beige, I was able to learn about marketing, like talking one-on-one with people, getting sales, being on target, like giving target, monthly target. You'll be able to do target every month. Because without it, you live in the company.
Target.
So those training, those things helped me a lot.
Was that 2012? Your time?
That was, I started working with Bay from 2014.
2012 had you done with your SHS?
Yes.
Yeah. 2012 was the beginning of this journey for you.